Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again in my new tutorial. This tutorial I will share you how to create the old jean into a beautiful flower, a tiny jasmine. You can make it at home easily and simple. You can make creation a button as a pistol into a tiny jasmine. Okay, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. We prepare some item: jean, thread and needle, button, scissors, pin if you need for brooch, stick glue and glue gun. The first step is you make a pattern. This is 5 centimeters. Okay, take a jean and you copy on the jean. And then you cut like this. Take a needle and thread. One layer you fold into 2 parts and you stitch. Like this. Okay, you need 5 petals. Okay, and you stick with the other petals. You arrange the petals and this is the 5 petals and you put together like this. So this is the result. Okay, take a button. You take a button and a button as a pistol. You put the pistol in the middle. Okay, take a hot glue and give the glue and place the button for covering. And the tiny jasmine is ready. Is it beautiful? Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.